Hey guys, welcome back to A Minute Monday, and today I'm actually going to go ahead and be showing you guys how I clean my makeup sponges. So before we get right into it, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe down below and also to give this video a thumbs up. It helps with a little bit of the algorithm, so I would really appreciate it if you guys did that. And then let's go ahead and get right on into it. Alrighty, so here I have my beauty blender. It's covered in foundation, and I also have a cup and a clear bar of soap. This one is from the Body Shop, and I'm gonna wet my sponge and I'm gonna rub the spot that's dirtiest on the soap. I use clear soap mainly because it is a lot stiffer and there's not as much product that goes into your sponge. And I find that this method is great for making your sponge still light and fluffy instead of dense. And you can see that the foundation is coming out, and I'll repeat that for however long I need to. But another method that I end up doing is actually taking the cup that's off to the side, and I'll fill it with a little bit of soap, and I'm going to show you with the other half of my beauty blender that's still dirty. I take some liquid soap and I take bar soap. You can do either or, and I will make it into a soapy water. There I'll dunk the sponge in, and I'll keep squeezing it and massaging it around in that soapy water, and you can see the water is changing. And from there, like wherever I have foundation spots, I'll dip it and I'll rub my finger along those spots and try and get as much of it out. Now you can repeat that as much as you like, and I always do warm water. Warm water is the best. But as you can see, the tip of my sponge still had foundation on it, so that's the reason why I'm going back to that bar soap. So I do love doing both. And you'll massage in all of that soap to get it all out, and once you rinse it all out, it'll be completely clean. Alrighty, and there you have it. A nice, perfectly clean sponge that looks almost brand new. Alrighty, and that completes this video on how I clean my makeup sponges. Now you can go ahead and do this with any kind of soap that you guys have. I honestly recommend using any clear bar soap. That's my personal favorite. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe down below. I will go ahead and see you guys in the next video, and that's all for today. Alright, bye guys.